4年前に日本語を勉強し始めたんだ。で、このレベルで喋れるようになりました。So, in this video, I'll share with you the 3 most important tips that I've learned that makes language learning so easy that it'll feel like cheating. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for tip number 3. That one really changed the game. Tip number 1, spaced repetition. I've emphasized this in my previous Japanese videos, but repetition is extremely important when learning a new language. This can be through using apps, flashcards, journaling, whatever you can to keep what you're learning fresh on your mind. You want to make sure that you're truly comprehending the material, not just memorizing it. So, instead of just memorizing a new word and its definition, look at how that word is used in a sentence, or in its most commonly used phrase. Words are not islands. There are pathways between one and the next to help build out a thought. All that to say, don't learn words only in isolation. Throw in some context too. Tip number 2, input, and lots of it. In order to progress in a new language, you need to be ingesting that language in some form every day. For example, on my way to and from work, I usually have Japanese music playing in the car. That's 40 minutes of free input, 5 days a week. You can turn on a drama while you eat, put on subtitles in your target language for a familiar show, watch the news in your target language in the mornings. The options are truly endless. This tip goes hand in hand with the first. When you encounter a new word or phrase, throw it in your flashcards and drill it until the meaning becomes ingrained in your brain. Especially in the beginning, your biggest difficulty will likely be an insufficient vocabulary. Building up your mental catalog of words, phrases, and grammar structures will elevate your speech and allow you to actually express what you're feeling, which is often the most frustrating part of learning a new language. Tip number 3, and arguably the most important tip, talk to yourself. Yeah, you heard me right. The key to learning a language fast is talking to yourself. Narrate the mundane things you do throughout the day in your target language and speak it out loud. Yes, it'll feel weird at first, but think of it this way. You can hash out the errors you make in the comfort of your own space. Shout out to all my introverts out there. This is for you. Strive to put out almost as much as you put in. Real progress comes from implementing all the things that you've learned and learning from your mistakes. Speaking of which, I'll give you a bonus tip, because I'm generous. Fail fast and fail often. Mistakes are not the end-all be-all of language learning. Trust me, I'm a native English speaker and I mess up all the time. Seriously, I had to re-record this segment like 3 times by now. So embrace your mistakes. It'll feel a little embarrassing in the moment, but in the long run, you'll be better off for it. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how I use different types of media to learn languages, check out this video right here. Also subscribe while you're at it. Might as well throw in hitting that like button too, am I right? And as always, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.